Who is the greatest sportsman of them all? And what about this man who stayed unbeaten in an international squash for more than 5 years, during which he won more than 500 matches on the trot?
Well, I think I've been lucky in this, that I've been chosen as a player of the millennium as well, and I've been, selected in the world levels panels, among all the great players like Muhammad Ali in the boxers or tennis players or athletes. I find myself very lucky there, and I think it's all bless of Allah.
He was once touted as the fittest man on earth. He had a superhuman winning streak of 555 international matches, lasting over 5 years. He won 10 consecutive British Open titles, besides 6 World Open championships. And guess what? His father was advised to keep Jehangir away from squash, since he was a sick child who underwent 2 hernia operations before his first 10 years.
Well, I think everybody knows that the squash is a family game, and my father was world champion. My uncle, everybody played squash, and they all played really top level. So I was born in this family, and when I was growing up, so I actually had a problem with 2 physically problem, which I had 2 hernia operation, and I had a problem with listening and talking as well. So I was really weak, and I was told by doctors, and especially my father, that he won't be able to play any hard game. So forget about squash, because squash is very physically tough game. And I think I was very talented, and then I realized that if I work hard, I think I can get more, even better. And as I said, I remember I took part in the Sindh Junior Championship when I was 12, and I was just a qualifier, and I was not expecting to do really good in that tournament. And all the big boys was playing there, like 8 of 19 or 18 or 17. And somehow, I went through the qualifying round. I played the #1 seed. I beat him as well, and then lost in the semi-final. And that was really gave me, that was my, I can say, gave me a lot of encouragement. And then I saw my pictures next day in the papers, like especially in DawnNews paper, and then all the other papers. So I realized, that sort of popular you can get with it. And then, as I said, then we had an option to go in the junior championship abroad, and I was the first one to go in the junior championship, and I got selected #1. And I think that was my first trip overseas. And after that, when I saw all the professional players playing in it, and I think that gave me more motivation as well. I tell you, it was like a day and night. I was just focused on my training and sleep and rest. That's it, nothing else. And I decided that I will try to achieve as soon as possible. And within 2 years, I achieved that goal. And I think when you become so focused and you are more ambitious, and I think it really helped you a lot. And it was kind of like a dream for me to achieve it. And I'm really grateful that I achieved that goal and that ambition. And I was just I was a professional player. And I just wanted to convert my old training, what I was doing at that time, hard work, into the matches and just perform well. I was not sure that I will win it or lose, as long as I'm satisfied that I played well in the court. And I think when I was converting all these things, day by day, week by week, and then monthly basis, and then it comes to the years, I was winning everywhere.